Hello. Today I am here to deliver a short talk on AI versus human intelligence. Who will lead the future of work? A difficult question to answer, but we'll have to come to some, say, we'll have to take informed decision on what is happening. AI versus human intelligence, who will lead the future? AI refers to machines that can process data, learn from patterns, and perform tasks like prediction or automation. Human intelligence, on the other hand, includes reasoning, creativity, emotional understanding, and ethical judgment. So, the real judgment is who wins. I would say they will coexist. Let me compare these two. AI clearly dominates with speed. It can analyze millions of data points in a second, something that humans cannot match. The next is creativity. Humans lead in creativity. AI can generate some content, but based on the existing ones, it cannot completely innovate. So, true innovation comes from human minds. Like creating a business model or strategy comes from human thinking. The next part would be emotional intelligence. AI lacks emotional intelligence. Humans can understand context, empathy, and relationships, critical in leadership, negotiation, and management. Decision making would again be a important point where AI supports data driven decision making, whereas human beings judge judge based on judged on make their judgments based on uncertainties and ethical dilemmas. AI does not have moral awareness. It follows a programmed logic, but human humans are mostly responsible for the ethical decision making and accountability. Next would be, let us analyze on how this coexistence would happen. AI is not completely replacing humans, but it will transform roles. Routine and repetitive jobs like basic data entry or standard reporting will be automated, but roles like strategy, leadership, and complex decision making will still depend on humans. A strong example in the oil and gas would be AI can optimize supply chains, but humans will decide uh, whether to investment. Humans would decide on investment strategies and the risk management. For example, we can take the case of Hormuz, which is currently a burning issue, where AI can suggest us better routes and optimized ones, less cost ones based on the previous data, but it cannot predict whether Hormuz will get closed or opened in the next coming days. Humans will have to take their call on whether to continue their voyages in Hormuz or change the routes. So, I would like to conclude this short talk by saying that the future of work will not be AI versus humans, it will be AI plus humans. AI will handle speed and data, humans will handle uh, the judgments, creativity, and ethics. To stay relevant, we must develop analytical thought with AI, strong communication and leadership skills, and problem solving, not just execution. In the future, the most valuable professionals will not be able, will not only compare themselves with AI but rather work with AI. So, thank you very much.